Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be covering the top 7 latest AI news. Let's dive right in. Adobe has unveiled new innovations in Illustrator and Photoshop, including generative shape fill, a dimension tool in Illustrator, new selection and adjustment brush tools in Photoshop. These updates aim to enhance the creative process for designers. Fiverr is transforming into a hiring platform with its 2024 summer product release. Key features include Fiverr Neo, a professions catalog, and the option for freelancers to offer hourly rates. Fiverr also introduced a satisfaction guarantee and rewards program. Meta AI is now available in 7 new languages and more countries, including Latin America. New creative tools are being introduced to help users bring their ideas to life. And an enhanced open-source model is available for complex projects like coding. Amazon has launched Amazon Lens, a visual search tool in the Amazon Shopping app. Users can now upload images, take photos, or scan barcodes to find exact matches and similar items, making shopping more convenient. OpenAI has introduced GPT-4o Mini, their most cost-efficient small model yet. It supports text and vision in the API, with future plans for image, video, and audio inputs and outputs. GPT-4o Mini offers advanced capabilities at a lower cost. 11 Labs has released Turbo version 2.5, their latest text-to-speech technology. This version features improved voice quality and greater control over voice emotions and styles, enhancing applications like audiobooks and virtual assistants. This version features improved voice quality and greater control over voice emotions and styles, enhancing applications like audiobooks and virtual assistants. Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service is enhancing decision-making in the transportation sector. By leveraging advanced AI models, companies can improve predictive maintenance, route optimization, and passenger experiences. That wraps up today's top 7 news stories. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.